Hello everyone, welcome to this online class for class 10th mathematics. Today our topic is trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. It means TR of complementary angles. My dear student, if you recall your mind, then you will get that two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. Okay. In any right triangle, suppose ABC is a right triangle in which angle B is 90 degree, then there are two acute angles in a right triangle. Here A and C are the acute angles in right triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. It means the sum of two acute angles in a right triangle is always 90 degree. Hence, the acute angles in a right triangle are always complementary angles to each other. Okay? Here, if we take angle A and we define the trigonometrical ratios for angle A, then we know that the sine A means opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse, which is equal to opposite side of A means BC by hypotenuse AC. Similarly for cos A, here adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse, which is equal to AB by AC. And tan A is equal to opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A, which is equal to opposite side means BC by AB. Okay. As we know that the acute angle A and C are complementary angle of each other, it means by angle sum property we know that angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Since these are complementary angles, for convenience we can use this as A plus C. Instead of angle A and C, we can write it as A plus C is equal to 90 degree. So angle C, that means C is equal to 90 degree minus angle A. Okay. If we define the trigonometrical ratios for angle C, then we can use C as a 90 minus A. So sine 90 minus A means angle C is 90 minus A. Okay. Then for C, the opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Cos 90 minus A means, which is for angle C, 90 minus A means C. So for C, the adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse for angle C, hypotenuse is same AC, and tan 90 degree minus A is equal to, for C, that means 90 minus A. If this is angle A, then this is 90 minus A. So for this angle, the opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. This is equation 2 and all these results for equation 1. Then when we comparing equation 1 and 2, then here we will get that sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A, BC by AC. Cos A equal to sin 90 minus A, that means AB by AC, and tan BC by AB, here tan 90, that means this is reciprocal of tan A, that means this is cot A. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, when we comparing both of them, then sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A, cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. Similarly, we can say that tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Okay. This is the complementary angles for the trigonometrical ratios. Okay. So clearly you can write all these relations by pausing your video.